Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon croquettes with canned salmon. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 75-ounce can of salmon, about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a touch of dill. Also, have about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil ready for the pan. This simple list ensures a delicious and easy meal. Now let's prepare the salmon mixture. Begin by thoroughly draining your canned salmon, then flake it into a medium-sized bowl. Next, add about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, your 1 beaten large egg, and your seasonings. Mix everything gently with a fork or your hands until all ingredients are well combined and the mixture holds together. Avoid overmixing to keep the texture light. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape the croquettes. Take about 2 tablespoons of the salmon mixture and gently form it into a patty, roughly 2 inches in diameter and about 1/2 inch thick. For an extra crispy exterior, roll each patty in a shallow dish of extra breadcrumbs. Carefully place your perfectly shaped croquettes on a plate, preparing them for the next step. Finally, let's cook and serve your delicious salmon croquettes. You can pan-fry them in about 2 tablespoons of hot oil for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are golden brown and crispy. Or, for a lighter option, bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve these delightful croquettes warm, perhaps with a fresh lemon wedge or your favorite tartar sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.